So guys, today I have for you this golden color fake PSP1. So today I'm going to do a teardown on this. It does look great, but it's fake. Okay, so let's do it then. Okay, so this is the PSP. Now I'm going to remove all the screws from it. It has two screws on this side and this side, and the other two here. So I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. This is the battery casing cover. Okay, so yeah, it's oh my god, it's pretty hard to remove it. Oh, I finally removed. Okay, so I've removed all the screws, and now the back cover can remove the back casing. The back casing has the connector to the battery slot, and this is the speaker of it. This part over here, and it's magnetic. Okay, then now I have to remove these small Phillips head screws. How many does it? It has 5 Phillips head screws. So after removing them, I can pull out the motherboard of it. Let's do it then. With this screwdriver over here. Sorry, the screw over here. Now let's remove the other screws. So I've removed all the screws, and now the motherboard can be lifted up. This is the motherboard over here. It has the LCD screen, and there is only a switch in this and other spot for other switches. So the LCD monitor is totally attached with the motherboard, and it's soldered right on it. Here it's soldered right on it. No, I cannot remove it easily, so I have to desolder it. Okay, then these are the components of it: the speaker, the casing, and the motherboard. So these are the buttons of it. Yeah, the buttons. Oh, something fell off. These are its button. They are sort of connected to one another. Okay, so these are much of the components that this mini game have. Okay, so these are all the components, and this was over the switch. This switch. Okay, then maybe that's all I think. I'm not going to put this back on because it does not work anymore. Okay, then maybe that's all, I guess. If you like the video, please give a like, subscribe my channel, and leave a comment. Okay, then bye bye.